Guess what day it is? It's laundry day. So here's the laundry room. They use yet another different app. This one's called Wash Connect. I probably have 10 apps on my phone because every RV park has a different system. Anyway, they have plenty of washers and dryers. They actually have 3 buildings of them. So this is building C, which is a couple of rows back behind the camper. And so I got probably an hour and a half hanging in here. Otherwise, we just got back from the hot tub, and now we are relaxing at the camper. We might do some bingo at the casino down the road. Starts about 2:30. It's 10 o'clock in the morning right now. So we'll see how the day plays out, but I hope you're having a good one. All right, everyone, we're heading to Indio, which is like 6 miles away. We're gonna go to the casino, Fantasy something casino, and play bingo at 2:30. So let's see if we're lucky today.
Fantasy Springs.
Oh, Fantasy Springs. Hey,
featuring Tommy James and the Shondells.
Woohoo! We got a big parking garage. We're on 2A. All right, wow. Fantasy Springs Casino. They got a nice pool. All right, so far I'm just loving it. So they got Starbucks, they got real pizza, New York style pizza. They got a lot of machines. Yeah, all right. All right, we are in the Bingo Palace. They have like a whole cafe. They have a lot of tables. We love the machines, desktop ones. Well, you can see that. And they got the bingo collar like right there. But look how many machines they have. All right. Kurt's gone up to get pizza. They got free soda over there. I'm hoping we win something today. Crossing my fingers. Wish us luck. All right, we're leaving the casino. Guess what? We had pizza that wasn't so good. I had some chicken strips. They weren't so good either. And neither of us won anything at all on the bingo. We did kind of walk away with the money we came in with on the slot machines, though, so that wasn't so bad. Anyway, sun is starting to go down, and we're heading back. We're in Indio, and we're heading
In 2
back.
miles, take exit 137 toward Washington Street.
Well, you can see that. That's where we're going. Hi. Did you like and subscribe? Thanks!